Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing some photos again. So yeah, let's get into it. So it looks like only one photo today, and yes, it is this one. And it is a picture of RIL 8772. As you can see here, which I gotta admit is quite an old bus. So yeah, I think it's got to be a dentist or something. Correct, it is a dentist. And it's going to Evesham, and the route is 540. And it's I think it's a Boomerang Bus and Co. Yeah, that's it. That's the company's name. So yeah, pretty cool. Thumbnail. So yes, this has been the unboxing of the Dennis Dart Boomerang photo, Bus and Co, or whatever it is. So yes, I will be doing some more unboxings now that I've caught up on uploading. So yes, this will be uploaded after I've uploaded the 1 hour and 55 minutes near enough of photo video and the 2 school coach rides I took today. So yes, thanks for watching guys, and thanks for 254 subs now. So yes, thanks for watching guys, and peace out.